how are you doing today? My name is Jen and thank you for being here. Welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are cutting pineapples. We're peeling them and cutting pineapples. So I have two pineapples here. I have two ways of cutting the pineapple, so I'm going to show you both ways. And this one looks really beat up. My dog just dragged it and he loves to play with this crown of the pineapple. But I washed it and then we're gonna start cutting that, and I'm also gonna show you how I peel my grapefruit to get that really nice pieces of grapefruit that's good in the morning when you want to eat some type of citrus. Then this is really great. Okay, so first we're gonna have to sharpen our knife. Always sharpen your knife. It's really more enjoyable to cut with a sharp knife. So this is 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and then you bend a little bit and that's 22 degrees angle, and you're just doing that. This is the sharpening rod, I meant, okay? And then you just do that with your knife, okay? And yeah, that's it. It's really that simple. Okay, so let me show you. Let's start with our pineapple. So first I'm gonna cut this part of the pineapple, which is the crown. They call it the crown, and then also the bottom here. Okay, so this pineapple is really ripe. Okay, so what I do, this is really great for a smoothie. We add pineapple in our smoothie every single day. So I just cut rounds like that. Then I cut one side, remove that peel right there, and then now we're gonna go around this pineapple and just, let your knife do all that work and go around the pineapple like that, and then just remove that. And then make sure that you remove those brown spots right there, okay? So, all right. And yeah, this is it. And if I want those big chunks for my smoothie, so I just cut them in half right there. And then the core is pretty hard, it's tough. So I just take that out. And if you're eating this fresh pineapple, then you want the core out. But if you are adding this and blending it with the rest of your smoothies, the rest of the ingredients in your smoothies, then yes, you can use this, because when you blend it, it'll just puree it. Okay, so, and then you just cut it in chunks right there. So that's pretty easy. So for this one, it's the same thing. We cut this part, and then I'm also cutting the end. And then this is, I think, pretty standard way of cutting the pineapple, is then you peel this side, and then you peel all around until you get all the skin out. So now we're going to remove this brown spots, or they call it eyes. So these are the eyes of the pineapple, and then we're just gonna remove them. Okay, like that. Here's some part right here. So all those eyes are pretty much out now. So what we're gonna do is we cut it in half, and then we cut it again. So we're cutting it like in quarters like this. And then this core again, this is tough. So what you want is to take that out. and then you start cutting it into chunks however you want. If you're eating it like by itself, then you want it bite-sized pieces, so something like that. Okay, so it's pretty much the same way you cut, but right there, nice chunks. Let me show you how I cut my grapefruit. So I cut this side, and I also cut the bottom. I always try to cut the bottom so I have that flat surface, and then when I sit it on the cutting board, then it's not rolling around. So that's one main thing, that's why I cut the bottom. Right now you're gonna go around and you're gonna cut the peel, the skin of the grapefruit, but make sure you cut out all that white part of the grapefruit, because then you can easily separate it from those segments. All right, so I remove all the skin. See, there's hardly like that white part. That's what you want. And then now we're just gonna cut it in the middle, and then you just like kind of wiggle your knife. You're not really cutting, but you just want to separate them, and this is what you get. And then you see the segments right here, so you're going to kind of pull that out of the segments, and here is what you get. See how nice to kind of eat your grapefruit whole like that? So this is how I like to eat my grapefruit. So you can also just scoop it with that spoon and get the flesh of the grapefruit, but I like to do it this way. And then you just take this white part again, kind of remove that, and a lot of that grapefruit has a lot of fiber, so it has that the skin right here. Okay, and then you see how easy you can just pull it out. Yeah, it's messy, but it's nice. Now see how nice these grapefruits are? These pieces of grapefruit. So that's really nice. Okay, my lovelies, so we're done peeling, cutting, and slicing our pineapples and grapefruit. Now I have, this is 2 pineapples that I have here that I cut into chunks, and look how nice they are. They are so juicy, and let's try if they're sweet. Love pineapple. It is sweet. It's really good for making smoothies or just adding it to your salad. And now let's try our grapefruit, okay? Nice and sweet. Now, you can eat your fruits any time of the year, but if you get fruits that's in season, then they have higher nutrients. Yeah, you get more nutrients when it's in season. So try to get the fruits and veggies that's in season, because that's when you get the most nutrients. And pineapple is good for cleansing, and I love it. So we add it to our smoothies. Like I mentioned, we add it to our smoothies every single day. So the smoothie we have, we put apples, banana, spinach, and pineapple. So yeah, my husband is really religiously make smoothies every morning. So, all right, my lovelies, I hope that you buy your fruits that's in season, and you buy pineapple and cut it. You can cut it the way you want. I just showed you how to cut it my way, but any way would be good. Any way that's good for you. Okay, so then I also have this grapefruit. You can juice the grapefruit. You don't have to eat it whole. I like to eat it this way. So Okay, my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help on cutting pineapple and grapefruit, please share this video. And all the recipes I post on my social media, you can find them on my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. So head over there. Have a wonderful day, my lovelies, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.